Now this is the next question. I have to draw the figure. Let me draw the figure. So how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write it. The given polygon has 6 sides. So it's going to be a hexagon. Now we have to find the perimeter. This is given as 5 cm. So the perimeter is equal to, there are 6 sides into 5. That's going to be 30 cm. That's a perimeter. Next we have to find the size of each interior angle. So we have a formula, sum of all the interior angles is given as 180 degree times n minus 2. This is for the polygon. Since n is equal to 6, this means 180 times 6 negative 2, which is 180 times 4, which is nothing but 720. 8 4s are 32, 3, 72 and 0, 720 degrees. This is the sum of all interior angles of hexagon. You can box it. Now they want one angle, therefore size of one angle is equal to 720 divided by 6. 6 divides here 12 times. Okay, so this is 120 degrees. So I've just placed 12 degrees. Okay, so there is a 0 here, so I place the 0 and write it as 120. So therefore size of one angle of the hexagon is 120 degrees. So you underline it or square it. Fair enough. Now we are asked to find the area of this triangle, of the triangle OEF. Okay, so clearly we know the interior angle, this entire angle, see this is the part of the hexagon, this entire angle is 120, but there is a bisector, so this angle is going to be 60, and similarly this angle is going to be 60. So if you were to add up these two angles, you get 120. Naturally, from the law of triangles, this should be 60. So that means each of these angles are 60 degrees. So we are dealing with the equilateral triangle whose sides are also equal. So this means OE is equal to OF is equal to EF is equal to 5 units. So therefore the area of triangle OEF is equal to half times, if I were to take the side OF multiplied with EF, I need to take the sine of the angle, which is 60 degrees. So this is nothing but half times 5 into 5. Sine 60 is root 3 over 2. So I have 25 times root of 3 divided by 4. So we need to evaluate that. Now this is for one triangle. The hexagon has 6 such triangles. So that means the total area of the hexagon is going to be 6 multiplied with 25 times root of 3 divided by 4. 2 divides here 2 times, 2 divides here 3 times. So you have 3 times 25 times root of 3 divided by 2. Okay, so you can take your calculator and find the value for root of 3 and then multiply it with 25 and then multiply it with 3 and then you divide by 2. 64 you get 64.952. Okay, so this is the area of the hexagon, 65 cm squared. This is the next question. We are given the following information. Tank has a cross section with dimension identical to the polygon EFGHIJ. This is the polygon that has been given in the previous question. Now water is poured at the rate of 75 cm cubed per second. After 52 seconds, the tank is 2/5 full. So we are asked to find the capacity of the tank. So this is an approximate figure. So water, you have water. Okay, the rate of flow is 75 cm cubed per second. So we have to get the volume of the content. Okay, so that is critical. Now because to get the capacity, okay, so now how are we going to get the volume after 52 seconds? So 75 multiplied with 52, so what is that? 75 multiplied with 52, so 3900 cm cubed is the volume contained in this container after 52 seconds, right? Now what we are given, the tank is 2/5, 2/5 full. Given the tank is 2/5 full, so 2/5 of V, where V is the volume of the tank. So you cross multiply 3900 times 5 divided by 2. Okay, so you have 1950 multiplied with 5. 5 was 25, 2, 45, 46, 47, 4 and 9. Now this is in cm cube, but we want it in liters. Okay, so to give it in liters, you have to divide by 1000. So that is going to give you 9.75 liters. So therefore the total capacity of the tank is equal to 9.75 liters. Okay, this is what is asked and we have got that. Next we are asked to find the height of the tank. Now we have a formula. Volume is equal to cross-sectional area multiplied with h. So V is equal to, we obtain the cross-sectional area to be as 65 cm squared, that multiplied with h but we know a formula that 2/5 of v is equal to 3900. You substitute the value of v there. So this means 2 over 5 of 65h is equal to 3900. So you cross multiply, you get h is equal to 3900 divided by 2 times of 65, and you have a 5 there. 5 goes to the right side. So what we can do is we have to reduce this. So let me use this space here. 3900 times 5 divided by 2 times 65. Now 5 divides 65 once, and I have 3 there. Now 13 divides 39 3 times. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3 times. Now 2 divides here, 2 divides 3 are 150. So this is the value of h. But since we are dealing with cm, right, it's cm, we place the value in cm, so 150 cm. But we have to give it in meters. So height in meters is nothing but 150. You divide by 100 to get it in meters. So this is going to be 1.5 meters. That's the solution for this question. Okay, I hope you are watching it.